This Gemara is on Tzadik Hey Yamad Aleph, which is 95a, and we're going to start from Rav Nachman Bar Guria. So Rav Nachman Bar Guria Iklal in Ardoi, he visited Nardoi. Bo Minei, they asked of him, he came to Nardoi, they asked him a question. Chaylev Mishamai Mechayev. Why is someone who milks a cow, why would he be chayev? Chaylev is milking, word chalav, milking. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. So here you see someone milking a cow. We'll see how he answered. He says, Amalahu mishum chaylev. He tells them because he milked. Mechabitz mishum mai mechayev. What about mechabitz, which means adding rennet or making a curd? Let's say making a curd. Mishum mai mechayev. Why would he be chayev? Let's get a picture of that as well. So that's the adding the rennet in, and it's going to turn into a curd. So he responds, Amar lahu mishum mechabitz, because he made a curd. That's the answer. Let's get rid of that little thing. Okay, now they say megabein mishum mai chayev. What about making cheese? Now there's two steps to the cheese. The mechabitz is you can hang the milk in a little cheesecloth or something. You add the rennet, you let it drip, and you can separate the butter, or you can add just the rennet and it will turn it into a curd. The megabin is actually, I'll show you a picture of that. You see this little ball where you can actually squeeze the curd into a piece of cheese. So he responds to that, Megabin mishum mai chayev, making the cheese. Why is he chayev? Amalahu, he says mishum megabin. So Amrulay, they said to him, Rabach, this is their expression, Rabach, your teacher, Katel Kani, is cutting, or has cut. Kani is stalks or reeds. Ba'agma, in the meadow, or in the pasture. They always translate it as meadow. Hava, which is a derogatory expression that basically your teacher didn't teach you anything. So Asa, he came in Shol Bei Midrash, and he asked in the Beis Medrash. Shol, it means he asked. Amrulei, they told to him, Chaylev is chayev mishum mefrek. Chaylev is chayev, milking is chayev because of extracting. We learned that extracting is a told of dash. Mechabetz, which is making the curd, that's chayev mishum bayrer, because of separating. Okay, and megabin, which is making the cheese, that's chayev mishum baina. That's chayev because of building. Okay, we're learning this Gemara is on Ayin Hey. This is 75, and the Gemara says, Hatzad tzvi, if someone traps a deer. Well, Tana Rabbanan, the rabbis learned that Hatzad chilazon, let's say someone traps a chilazon, which is a type of snail, and I'll show you the picture. This is supposedly a chilazon. We don't know for sure, but whatever the case is, that's just to get an idea. So, Hatzad chilazon, someone traps that snail. If he squishes it, I guess that's how it is, squishes it. So, Ein chayev alach, is only chayev one korban. However, Rabbi Yehuda argues, Rabbi Yehuda Omer is chayev shtayim. Rabbi Yehuda says he's chayev two korbanos. Well, you're not allowed to trap, and you're also not allowed to squeeze it out. The question is why. It says Shehaya Rabbi Yehuda Omer. Rabbi Yehuda would say that p'tzia b'chlal disha, that squishing goes under the category of threshing. Amrulai, they said to him, Ein p'tzia b'chlal disha. That's not true. P'tzia is not under the category of threshing. The question is why. So Amar Rava says, my taima. Let's write that out. My taima, which means what is the reason of the Rabbanan? And he explains, Kasavri, they hold ein dishela ligdule karka, only things that grow from the ground. Stop there.